everyone, welcome back. So today we start exploring Monterey County. It's a really big place, as you can see on the map right here. It extends all the way from Pacific Grove on the northwest side, down below Big Sur on the southwest, below King City on the southeast, and up by Salinas on the northeast. We are going to discover all of it, but today we're only going to do one small part, and that's that northwestern corner. So that right there, that's what we're going to explore. A little bit of Old Monterey, a little bit of Pacific Grove, and right to the edge of Asilomar. Our hope today is to see the purple carpet. That only happens in April every year, and we look forward to it every single year. Now, to confuse things a little further, we are going to also explore the Monterey Bay at some point in this series, and that includes Santa Cruz. Monterey Bay is shaped kind of like a U, with Pacific Grove at one end, Moss Landing and Watsonville down in the bottom of that U. We showed you that in the last video. And then you have Santa Cruz on the upper part of the U. So we'll get around to exploring all of that too, not just Monterey County. So today, I have a guest star. Say hi, Parker.
Hi.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and hit the beach, find that purple carpet, maybe even some deer if we're lucky, check out the golf courses, and end the day with sunset. And since Parker's with us, you know what that means. We've got a Parker's Picks coming. So let's get on the road. somewhere for a long time and discover something new. I never knew there was a sea arch here. So this is our playground, our backyard, you might say, and we're going to have so much fun exploring it and sharing it with you. Bleached coral. How fun. Little crab in the tide pool, just crawling along. So we've been exploring, we're totally not done yet. We're gonna go and check out the golf courses, some of our favorite statues, maybe take a drive down Pacific Grove Main Street, and then we're gonna end the day with the sunset. But for right now, of course, it's time for Parker's Picks. So Parker, tell me a couple of things you love about living in this area and what there is to see and do.
I love just looking at the beaches because they're just beautiful to look at, and I love this place because everybody is super nice here.
And did you have fun checking out the tide pools?
I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is fun to see the crabs and everything running, huh?
Yes.
So what about this beach in particular? I like looking for shells on this beach. What do you like?
I also like looking for shells, and I just love looking at the ocean. It's a perfect aquarium.
And of course the Monterey Bay Aquarium is here. It is not open quite yet, but we will explore that on another time. Parker, what's your favorite thing at the aquarium?
Probably octopus.
Yeah, I love the octopus.
I just think they look beautiful.
They're fun. Mine is jellyfish, and we'll take you to that blue room when the aquarium reopens later this year.
Yeah.
But for right now, we're enjoying this beach. We call it the John Denver Beach, but officially the Park Service has named it Asilomar. To locals, Asilomar is about another 2 miles down this Ocean View Boulevard and on the edge of a 17-mile drive, which we'll also do 17-mile drive in a couple of weeks. So I think we did a good job. I think we need to go explore some more. fun day. Monterey Bay. This is Asilomar Beach. So this is as far south as we're gonna go today. But don't worry, we will explore all of Monterey Bay. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that red button below and give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Monterey Bay was made a sanctuary in 1992. This is one of my favorite places. This is the Great Tide Pool where John Steinbeck and Ed Ricketts gathered their specimens. But the Monterey Bay is also home to a host of animals, including humpback, gray, fin, and even orchid whales on their migration routes. There are also seals, sea lions, and sea otters, along with thousands of different types of birds.